Alright, confession time. Maleficent is probably my favorite villain. This is also, I think, one of the very first bow templates I created because I love her. She's amazing. Alright, so I've got this awesome back piece. Now this is important. You need something that's going to be able to stand upright and hold its shape. So stiff felt works fantastic for that. So I use pretty much all the black I use is always stiff felt because it's so nice, it's easy to cut and holds its shape. I've got the green Scary Fire. Okay, and then this is actually craft foam, but you can also use glitter canvas or glitter fabric. And then I've got a purple little bow here. So I'm going to make my bow really quick. Get out of there. Alright, and these are totally customizable and scalable, so if you wanted to make this bow slightly larger or smaller, you can totally do that. Alright. So there are my bow pieces, and this one actually is just going to go around the bow this time. So I'm going to put it in the center, put this around my bow. Nice little contrast. You know, I do color code my bows, but really you can make these, you can customize them any way you'd like. So if you wanted to change a color and make it fit for a different bow occasion, you know, you could totally do that. Okay, but I like how it's a contrast too here. So you gotta be careful because that stiff felt does not like to stay glued. So you probably want to hold that for like 30 seconds. Alright, so I'll hold that while I glue this on. So this I'm gonna kind of put, I kind of want this centered. So I'll put some glue on here. And then line that up. Okay, and then I'm gonna glue my bow in the center. Okay, and make sure I put that glue side down because I don't really want to see that. Awesome. Alright, and then now I just have to decide where I put my clip. So one thing I really like to do is use these for the center of I make wire mouse ears. So if you like making Mickey Mouse ears, I buy that thin gauge metal and I wrap it around a headband. And so you've got, you know, some cool purple mouse ears, and then you just make a little hump in the center, and then you can glue this, you have to glue it kind of probably like right here, alright, or maybe on the back a little bit, but you want to glue it flat upright, and then it can sit on top and you could have cool Maleficent ears. It also looks super cute just on the back, you know, holding up your hair. Super fun for Halloween, Disneyland, Disney World. I love it. This is one of my favorites. So I'm just going to put this on the back. Put some glue on my clip. Okay, and then center that up. Get rid of my glue everywhere. Puff it up, and there you go. That is my Maleficent bow template. This is also part of my villain bow template bundle, as well as I believe I have a good and evil bow template. So if you like the villains and their matching princesses, make sure you check that one out too. Alright, thanks. Happy crafting!